Okie dokie, or the chokey. Okay, so I'm in my superhero critic outfit simply because kind of a lunch break, I haven't actually recorded yet, but I'm gonna record this video before recording a review. But Subway has a brand new potato chip exclusive through Lay's. As you know, I've done a lot of Lay's videos on this channel. I do a lot of chip taste testing because I'm fat and I like potato chips. So, that being said, I present to you the Buffalo Chicken Dip Kettle Cooked Lay's potato chips that you can only get at Subway. I'm normally not a big fan of kettle cooked, so we'll see how I like them. Very, very, very orangey. The reason why I say I'm not a big fan of kettle cooked is because I'm not a big fan of kettle cooked, but I may like this a little bit more because I love buffalo. In fact, the sandwich I got with the chips is a buffalo chicken sandwich. So these aren't bad. They're more crunchy. They're extremely crunchy. They're honestly just buffalo chips. There's no real special thing to them. But you can tell. Shut up, cell phone. Focus! You can just tell how much cheese is on this. Or not cheese, but the buffalo dust. I don't know if they're going to be a permanent thing. But I would try them if you like buffalo. They're really good. So, that being said, thank you for watching.